I wonder if this is working. Okay, good. Alright, folks. I'm doing one for the VR for WD Glock and Roll. And he had a question on, he doesn't like things like I do in pockets. You carry it in a Zomake bag, or a Zomake bag. Now, that's the company's name. Okay. And then you do like a clown does. Whoa. It's heavy. Carry his stuff in a fisherman's vest. I have this thing packed and weighs down a lot. I don't fish, but it has a hunting backpack, so I tell people I bird hunt. No, really, folks, I'm glad I'm getting old. Okay, and I just use this, and a lot easier than this, but I'll show you that. And I wear it, toss it in the truck. I have all my gear and stuff, so if anything comes up, I got it right here. And if you check out Bob942, he does the same. Okay. Now let's open up this. Now, neat thing, I showed this to Gil. It's in a little pouch. Perfect for the truck. It has one backpack in here. So basically, you put this in the truck, and if you have to boogie away from the truck, or you have to need something really quick from the truck and carry it, you can use this. And basically, you pop it out. Now, this pouch is self-contained into the backpack. See, it's sewn into the backpack. I close the zipper. Okay, that's another pocket for the bag. Now, the bag's inverted inside out, so all the straps and everything is inside. If you look at that, that's how big it is. Let's show everybody how it works. Because I guess nobody ever watched my back's response to Harshman Hills. Just be careful, okay, kids? I'm calling living a long time. I'm going to continue to live a long time. The rest of you guys are going to die horribly. And this goes inside. And that's your other separate pocket. And then you zip it up like this. And presto, instant backpack. You grab your stuff from the truck, throw it in here, you're ready to go, put it on your back, and that's it. Now, I wish they had a little valve that you can blow up so it gives you a little bit more padding onto your shoulders, because this is going to really bite into you. Yep, it's going to bite into you, but it will work. So there you go. And we'll just put it over there. And that's it. That's how easy it is. Catch you later, folks.